if you're experiencing low performance in GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance the performance of the game. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings by navigating to the Settings menu. Reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, potentially improving performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing more power to be dedicated to the game. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly enhance gaming performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your GTA 5 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.